Who is actually involved in the software engineering recruiting process? So I'm going to break down each of these roles for you. Now, all of these roles, except for the hiring manager and the panel, could be done by just a single recruiter at a smaller company. But at larger companies, you're going to see some specialization. Let's get started. The hiring manager. This is the most important person in the entire process. This is the person who is looking to fill a role on their team. This is the person who sometimes picks the interview panel, especially at smaller companies. And generally, they have the final hire, no hire decision. The recruiter is the person in touch with the candidate, guiding them through the recruitment process, generally speaking. The recruiter is the person who is in touch with the candidate, guiding them through the recruitment process, and their goal is to fill the role that the hiring manager wants to fill. Recruiters often have target goals to hit, as in number of headcount filled. The sourcer actually reaches out to people and gets them to be interested in applying for and working at the company. The inbound sourcer is the person who's kind of sorting through the applications that get sent to the company and filtering them so that they don't waste the recruiter or the hiring manager's time with folks who aren't actually qualified. The recruitment coordinator manages the logistics of the process. So once you're actually through the initial screening and you're going on to the technical screening, phone screening, or on-site interviews, they're the ones who are going to actually handle the logistics for who you're supposed to call, where you're supposed to go, and when. They may also take care of stuff like booking flights and accommodations. Finally, the interview panel is the actual set of people, usually engineers, although it can be non-engineers, who interview the candidate and make recommendations on whether to hire or not. Hopefully knowing who's involved in the recruitment and interview process is helpful to you and helps you guide your decisions when applying for companies and how you craft your resume.